When I was in class 8, my mother went to see her sick mother. And she happened to stay for 2 weeks. It's true, I don't have a sister. It's only 2 brothers. Now, one day, I'm the one who was cooking for everyone, being the second born. This particular day, I cooked as usual. I served everyone, but my father had not arrived. So, when he came, he was drunk. I served him food. Before he started eating, he got hold of my hand and started talking to me about how good girl I am. I was so bright in school. He said that he loves his mother. I'm named after his mother. That he's happy that I am bright.
Wait a minute. He raped you? Ni mzee aina gani? Then what happened?
After my mother came, she realized I was vomiting because even after that day, that is what my father used to do every day.
What? Oh my God.
So, when my mother came, she realized that I was vomiting. I was having this morning news just every morning. Then she started accusing me of probably moving around with some boys. Then my father also joined in the same chorus. That probably have become naughty. Ashame familia. And I left. When I was 5 months, I was thrown out of my home. And I went and I got a job of house help. That lady, she took care of me like her own daughter. I gave birth to my daughter. I got employed to give my child food. And after she became 6 years. I got married. But all along, she has always been a bad memory to me. She always reminds me of those moments that I was so innocent. That's somebody to...
No. Kagure, are you telling me huyu msichana ako hapa ni your sister and your daughter?
Yes.
Huyu ni mwanaume anegani? What kind of a father is that?
No, I've not finished. When I got married, before my husband became a chief, I had struggled so much. My father was always calling me home, telling me to go back home. But I knew I cannot face him. He's such... what even my mother does not talk. One day, my mother came, trying to talk to me. I was bitter with her. She didn't listen to me when I really needed her. I told her that this daughter of mine belongs to your husband, my father. You know what? A mother that I would have thought she would come handy for me, she told me that I'm the one who was ruling my father. I was like, Jesus!
Your mom? Mamako? Mzazi? Alikwambia hivyo?
Now, you've seen my daughter. After the death of my husband, he has come twice, threatening me. The moment you showed me these specs, these do not belong to my husband. He never used to put such.
What?
This does not belong to my husband. He's more brown and a bit more fashionable. I'm not going to surprise you. These specs belongs to my father.
What? My God.
I'm asking, I'm requesting, when you see me packing, I want to go far.
It's okay, it's okay.
I want to go far. I don't want to kill myself because I have no peace.
It's okay. It's okay.
I want to take
I understand.
my daughter.
No, it's okay. Nakuelewa sasa. Nakuelewa. My God. What? I mean... No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay.